Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my August 2021 Confetti Collection subscription box unboxing. I am so excited that it is time for another Confetti Collection box. This box comes every 2 months and I absolutely love it. It's a stationery, giftware, lifestyle type of box, and you get so many great things in this box, but it only costs $19.99 and I feel like it is so worth it, so much fun, and I'm so grateful that Confetti Collection sent me another box. And I always give a disclaimer when a product is sent to me for free. This is not a sponsored video, but I love sharing my unboxings of the Confetti Collection box on my channel. So let's go ahead and get into it because I am ready to see some fun, adorable products. It is beautifully packaged. I just feel like the name Confetti Collection is adorable and just makes me think of fun, happy, party type of vibes. Ooh, and I think the theme of this box is Adventure Awaits. Okay, first up, so cute. 10 shaped paper clips, and they're like stars, astrological. Here you can see what those look like with the ring light glare though. And so the products that come in this box are from the paper goods brand called C.R. Gibson. And I have looked up the brand C.R. Gibson online because I am just obsessed with their products. They are so adorable. They are truly, like, they have an amazing range of products, but they are not cheap. So you get such great value in this box for only $19.99, all C.R. Gibson brand products, which are so great. Oh, cute. This goes perfectly with the theme. It's a luggage tag, kind of like a brown leather, very stylish. Oh, I think these are cards, which I actually was needing some new cards. Look at how beautifully packaged these are. And so it's a bunch of the same card that says, "Hello, you," and it's blank on the inside. Seriously perfect. You can use this for any occasion, really. And I love the color, the envelope, so cute. I feel like it's very essential to just have some blank cards on hand. The next thing is so cute. A pad of paper with a mermaid tail. I use pads of paper like this all the time. I go through these pretty quickly, so I'm really glad to have these, and these are really cute. Ooh, this is really cool. Calm quote cards, set of 16 calming cards. I don't know if I've really seen something like this before. So a little stand, and then different quotes on it that you can choose to display. Calmness is the cradle of power. It's not happiness that makes us grateful, it's gratitude that makes us happy. Oh, I love that. So you can put them on display. Cute. This is perfect to go on my desk. Ooh, let's see what's in here. C.R. Gibson Explorers Club Travel Checkers and Backgammon game set. Oh, fun. I actually do not have any sort of game like this, so I'm really excited to have this. Ooh, is this a passport cover? And it is so cute. The pink and the gold. It says, "I'm so out of here." Oh my gosh. And it has, you can see the pineapples on the inside too. This is adorable. And lots of like pockets in it. And then the last thing here is a really adorable envelope file folder, which is just great to have on hand. Keep in my little desk area, office for cute file storage. And that is everything that I got in my August 2021 box. So many adorable things and such perfect gifts. So this is such a great subscription to give someone as a gift, or if you get it and then you break it up and give little pieces of it to other people as gifts. I just feel like everything in it is so adorable, useful, and fun. So I'll do a quick recap of everything I got because that was a lot. So we've got the file folder, the passport cover, the travel games, the mermaid notepad, the card and envelopes, luggage tag, the adorable paper clips, and the calm quotes cards. So I think you can tell how much I love the Confetti Collection box. If you get the Confetti Collection subscription, I would love to hear your thoughts on this month's box. What are your favorite products that you got? But as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.